Hello guys, this is Tasing Vlog video again. I made today the chocolate pins and sprinkles that homemade. That one I make my version. Tasing Vlog video. And this is the ingredients and procedure how to make chocolate cake with chocolate fillings with the sprinkles. And please watch this one. Today I make chocolate cake with the chocolate toppings. This one, this filling. This procedure is make steep after 20 minutes. It is becoming cooked. Please watch this one. Now already 20 minutes already done the steam cake, chocolate cake. Actually we checking the toothpick, then we checking is cooked or not. Actually already done, so already cooked our chocolate cake. Now I'm going to keep set aside for become cold. Without egg, only need ingredients of this chocolate cake is cocoa powder, cake flour, or baking powder. It's up to you. And some drop of the lemon, and salt, sugar, liquid milk. Makikita niyo naman doon sa procedure, doon sa menu, makikita niyo kung paano. Now it's already cold, ready to make decoration. I start now. Yan, lalagyan ko na siya ng toppings na filling sa taas, chocolate cake. This chocolate fillings made brown cocoa powder, milk, and this liquid and with butter. Yan. I spread all this one. Please watch this one. Thank you for watching. Tasing Vlog video again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This final should be putting now the sprinkles. Kailangan siya yung sa side niya, kailangan may mga chocolate siya para magandang tignan. Yeah. I show you paano kung kami how to put all the side and up the filling of this chocolate cake. Now lalagyan na namin ng sprinkles. Ayan, yan. Depends sa iyo kung gaano karami mga Pringles. It's up to you. But actually, I put too much for only merienda this one.
Yung sito, unik to. Korea bar.
Now it's already done. Chocolate chocolate with fillings and sprinkles. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel para update ka sa mga bagong. Thank you for watching. This is Tasing Vlog video again. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel para update ka sa mga bagong. Thank you for watching my chocolate cake. Gusto na siya.